Hey guys, what's up? It's me Suhani Singh. Welcome to The Dynamic Education. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about something that you must have wondering during these days. Like how we can able to see the blue sky, how we can able to see the stars in the night sky. So these all are the things which you must have wondering during these days. So guys, let me tell you the first and important thing that the air has become that much clean that we can able to see the Himalaya from Jalandhar in Punjab, that is 140 kilometers away from it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the very positive impact of the coronavirus lockdown. So the first positive impact of the corona lockdown is decreasement of nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide. As we know, due to the lockdown, numbers of cars plying on the roads became less. Factories have been shut down, and due to that effect have been seen in some cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Maharashtra. In these cities, we can able to see the blue sky, and due to that only the concentration of the nitrogen gas became less, has fallen drastically. So yeah, this is a very positive impact. And guys, let me tell you, PM 2.5, particulate matter 2.5, which is very harmful form of air pollution. And due to that only, numbers of the people in a year died due to that. Number of the people. And due to the lockdown, PM 2.5 has been decreased also. And this is only the reason that why we are able to see the blue sky. We are able to see the stars in the night sky. So yeah, this is also a very, very, very positive impact. Not only air, water quality in the rivers also becoming cleaner. Ganga and Yamuna river flowing cleaner. So yeah, this is also a very positive impact of the coronavirus lockdown. And all thanks goes to coronavirus lockdown. So guys, one thing in my mind always came that why we only see the negativity of anything. Why we only see the negativity? We can't see positivity. We can see the positivity in the corona lockdown also. So yeah, but some of the people of our country really don't concern with these issues. Why? This environment is not of theirs. But if someone raised the issue of mandir and masjid, then hundreds of the people gonna be raised up for the riots. Hundreds of the people gonna be raised for the riots. I swear. But apart from that, all of us, like we all think that the positive impact of the lockdown is for the short duration, for the temporary. And after this, again is gonna be same as with the previous. Until and unless we accept maintaining pressure on the government and give priority to these issues. Now, I would like to end up with a very famous quote, that is, be positive, think positive, and then it leads to be happen positive. Thank you.